Hello students, in this video we'll look at drawing or constructing a 30 degrees angle and a 15 degrees angle. So in order to draw 30 degrees angle, first we need to construct 60 degrees. Once we have constructed 60 degrees, then we need to bisect 60 degrees such that we get 15 degrees. So half of 60 degrees is 30 degrees. Once we have constructed 30 degrees, once again we'll bisect 30 degrees so that we get half of 30 degrees, which is 15 degrees. So let's begin by constructing 60 degrees first. Okay, so we begin by drawing a line. So we've drawn a line. Let's mark this as A and B. Mark these 2 points here. Now we'll use a pair of compass, and using any scale we'll take A as our center and we'll draw an arc. This way. Now the point where this arc meets the line or cuts the line, we'll mark that point, and using the same measurement that was used to draw this arc, we will take this as a center and cut this arc. This way. Now where the two arcs intersect, let's mark that point, and we'll construct a line or draw a line where such that it begins from A and passes through the point that we have just marked. So that should make our 60 degrees. So this will be 60 degrees. Okay. Now if we need to bisect this angle, so we need to take measurement of this particular arc from here all the way to here. Have a look. Okay, so we'll, using this as a center, we'll draw an arc. This way, and then we'll use this as a center and draw another arc such that it cuts the arc that we have just drawn. There you go. And we'll mark the point where the two arcs intersect here, and we will join it to A. There you go. And now the newly formed angle, that is this one, should be 30 degrees. Let's measure it with the help of a protractor to confirm whether it is 30 degrees or not. Okay, 30 degrees over there. Okay, so that is 30 degrees. Now we need to construct 15 degrees, so we'll have to bisect 30 degrees. So for that, we'll take measurement of this particular arc over here. Have a look. Okay, and we'll use this as a center, the point where this arc meets this line over here, and construct an arc. Here you go. Now we'll use this as a center over here. The other point where the arc cuts this particular line, we'll name this line. So this is AB, so we'll do this as C, and this will be D. So our next center will be where this arc is cutting DA over here. Mark this here and use the same length, that is this particular length, and we'll cut this arc here, and where the two arcs intersect we mark that point. And now we draw a line all the way to A to get 15 degrees. And mark this as E. So now this new line, the new angle should be 15 degrees. Let us check whether it is 15 degrees with the help of a protractor. There you go, exact 15 degrees. There you go. Okay, so we have, first what we did was we constructed 60 degrees. That was, we constructed angle CAB equal to 60 degrees. Once we had constructed angle CAB equal to 60 degrees, we bisected angle CAB to get angle DAP equal to 30 degrees. Once DAB was constructed, we got angle EAB by bisecting angle DAB. So angle EAB is 15 degrees. So that's how you get 30 degrees and 15 degrees. So first you need to construct 60, then 30, then 15, and just by bisecting you get these two angles. Hope you have understood how to construct the two new angles that we learnt in this video, that is 30 degrees and 15 degrees. Thank you for watching.